In today's video, I'm going to show you UltraLink 4K TV Antenna Review 2025. Does it really deliver 100 HD channels? The marketing behind UltraLink is aggressively bold. Advertisements claim the antenna will unlock 100 plus HD channels without subscription fees using military grade or NASA engineered technology, offer a long range, some ads say 120 miles, and deliver crystal clear 4K or HD quality, all with a one time payment. That sounds appealing, especially for people wanting to cut cable or streaming bills. But independent investigations into UltraLink cast heavy doubt on those promises. Multiple reviewers and watchdog style write ups describe the device not as a revolutionary antenna, but as a cheap, generic digital antenna, essentially the same as inexpensive indoor antennas widely available from generic sellers. According to those reviews, UltraLink rarely delivers more than the modest set of over the air OTA broadcast channels, already available with any basic antenna and often underperforms. Many customers complain that it fails to receive channels reliably, delivers poor picture quality, or requires additional payments or subscriptions, contrary to initial free claims. Technical context also undermines the 100 plus channels and long range claims. As found in expert tested antenna reviews, even high quality outdoor antennas struggle to deliver more than a few dozen reliable channels, partly because the number of available over the air broadcasters in a given area is limited. For example, one well reviewed outdoor antenna in 2025 managed around 75 channels under ideal conditions. Finally, the marketing tactics surrounding UltraLink are consistent with common patterns in low quality, too good to be true products. Overly urgent, limited time offers, crowds of glowing testimonials, but none on credible review platforms, claims of advanced secret tech, and high markups compared to just bare bones antennas sold cheaply elsewhere. In summary, UltraLink 4K TV antenna is almost certainly not the cable killing 100 channel 4K TV enabling device it is advertised as. At best, it behaves like a generic indoor antenna. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.